Curious about Grindr XTRA in 2025? This honest review uncovers why Grindr has dominated the gay dating app scene since 2009, offering an unparalleled experience for its users. Forget endless swiping. Grindr XTRA leverages a unique geolocation grid to instantly connect you with nearby guys, making it incredibly efficient, especially for those in areas with a smaller queer community. While it's widely recognized for its NSFW environment and facilitating quick, casual encounters, including the occasional unsolicited photo, Grindr XTRA provides crucial upgrades like an ad-free experience and access to previously free features now behind a paywall. Explore the discreet safety measures built into Grindr XTRA, such as hiding your distance and pin-locking the app, all supported by an LGBTQ+ moderated team dedicated to user privacy. Despite its hookup-heavy reputation, many have found lasting relationships through the platform. If you're ready for a straightforward, direct approach to gay dating and want to unlock the full potential, Grindr XTRA is your go-to. Don't wait. Check the description for links to enhance your dating game today.